Hi, Nevlin. Mr. Askelson here. It is Monday, April 6, 2020, day one of week 2 of distance learning. I hope this video finds you and your family all well. We've got another big week ahead of us, and so let's get started and see what we're going to be doing today. Hi, third graders. It is day one of week 2 of distance learning. So let's take a look at our matrix and see what we're going to be learning or working on in math today. It says to solve 7 times 6, 8 times 6, 20 times 9, 12 times 9, and then create your own multiplication word problem and have a parent solve it. I'm not going to write down or write out a whole multiplication word problem, but what I do want to say is that we've got quite a few strategies that we've learned. We've been working on multiplication for a long time. And use the strategies as you're creating or trying to solve the equations, and then as you're creating your word problem, use some of those strategies to help kind of think through what it is you want the word problem to say, what equation are you going to use, and will your parent or someone in your family be able to solve that word problem. So some of the strategies that we've used in multiplication are skip counting, repeated addition. You can build an array. You can use a number line. You can draw a picture showing equal groups, or you can decompose one of the numbers in the equation or break it apart to make it into a smaller or simpler equation to do. So the other strategy that we have used actually since probably first grade, but it works for all word problems, is that C.U.B.E.S method. So circle any numbers, underline the question, box math words, evaluate, and then solve. So I'm going to tell you a story problem here, and we'll see if we can figure it out using the C.U.B.E.S method to solve it. So Andrew is having some of his friends over to watch a baseball game tonight. He decided to prepare snacks for them. He started by making sandwiches. If he has 4 friends coming over, and he made 3 sandwiches for each of them, how many sandwiches did he make? So in that equation, I heard that he has 4 friends, and he is going to make 3 sandwiches for each of them. So remember, in multiplication, we're putting groups of things together. So we take the equation, 4 times 3. Now we could skip count that. We could do repeated addition, build an array. I think maybe I'll build a really, really quick array. So we have 4 rows of 3. And when I get all of those drawn, I can just count that up and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 times 3 is 12. And I would put my label on there, which would be sandwiches. So sometimes maybe think of what equation do you want to use first, and then build your story problem around it. Think of the C.U.B.E.S method. Also think of some of the other strategies we've used in multiplication to build that, and then see if one of your parents or someone in your family is able to solve that. Tell them, show them some of the different strategies that you worked on. Maybe draw a picture and show equal groups, or do some of the skip counting, or show how to do that repeated addition, which is kind of a really fun way of solving multiplication equations. So I hope this has helped. Keep practicing your math and have a nice day.